Okay. So, ano tayo? Wait lang. Y is equals to sine hyperbolic of 3x. Ayan. So, paano natin gagamitin yan? Okay. Or paano natin hanapin yung derivative niyan? Okay. So, sabi nga natin na yung sine hyperbolic natin of x is equal lang siya sa cosine hyperbolic of x. Okay? So, meron ding chain formula to, or chain, parang, alam mo yun, chain rule formula, or yung mismong itsura niya when it comes sa chain. So, note tayo, derivative ng hyperbolic sine u is equals to hyperbolic cosine u times derivative ng u natin with respect to x. Okay. So, magle-let tayo dito. Let u be equal to 3x. Then, derivative ng u natin with respect to x is 3 na lang. Okay. So, kung susundan natin tong format na to, meron tayong dy, wait lang, meron tayong dy over dx is equals to, ano yung derivative ng hyperbolic sine? Hyperbolic cosine. So, cos 3x, pwede natin sabihin hyperbolic cosine or cos, times yung derivative ng u natin with respect to x, na 3. So, ang final answer natin, dy over dx is equals to 3 hyperbolic cosine 3x or 3 cos 3x. Ito na yun. Ito na yung sagot ng problem natin dito.